Ever wondered if animals have their own secret language? What if animals call each other by their names? But wait, what if I told you that artificial intelligence is helping us decode these animal communications? क्या हम कभी डायरेक्टली एनिमल से बात कर पाएंगे? AI रिसर्चर्स का जवाब है शायद हाँ. Today we'll explore how machine learning is revolutionizing our understanding of animal communication, and this could even help us connect with them in their natural habitats. Back in the 80s, Joyce Paul, a researcher studying African elephants, noticed something strange. She saw that when an elephant called out, sometimes a specific individual would respond while others ignore it. उस टाइम पे टेक्नोलॉजी उतनी एडवांस नहीं थी, but Joyce had a theory. Elephants might be calling each other by name. It was just a hunch. Until decades later, when technology caught up. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और मशीन लर्निंग का यूज़ करके जॉयस ने एक स्टडी कंडक्ट की. Researchers recorded nearly 500 calls from African elephants and used a statistical model to analyze the sounds. The model didn't just detect patterns, it could predict which elephants the call was addressed to. Imagine this, elephants might actually have names, just like humans, just like us. That's mind-blowing, right? But this is just the tip of iceberg. So how AI is doing all this? Animal communication research usually involves 3 steps. Recording animal sounds. Second, observing their behavior to match the sounds with context. Playing back those sounds to measure responses. This is the third. But the real game changer here is machine learning. Field recordings don't sound perfect. They are noisy with overlapping sounds from multiple animals. This is called cocktail party problem. Humans couldn't solve it, but AI models, inspired by speech recognition tools, stepped in. एक AI model named Deep Karaoke म्यूजिक ट्रैक्स ट्रेन करने के लिए बनाया गया था. इट हेल्प्ड to separate vocals from the instruments. Researchers realized the same logic could be applied to the animal calls. Now we can isolate single monkey's call from a group, or we can focus on one bird in a jungle of chirping. Crazy, right? Here is the catch. Traditional machine learning or supervised learning requires humans to label tons of data. But in animal communication, we don't know enough to label everything. Because in a jungle there are a lot of sounds. That's why self-supervised learning comes in. Just like how ChatGPT was trained. Instead of human-labeled examples, self-supervised models learn from patterns in raw, that is unlabeled data. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. चैट जीपीटी ने मिलियंस ऑफ बुक्स, वेबसाइट्स और सोशल मीडिया फीड्स को एनालाइज करके अपने आप की लैंग्वेज रूल समझी. नाउ इमेजिन अप्लाइंग दिस टू एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन. AI could decode patterns in dolphin clicks or even bat vocals without us needing to understand them first. AI model creates maps of relationship between words or even sounds. Researchers discovered in 2017 that these shapes can align across languages. अगर एक लैंग्वेज में डॉग एक स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट पर है तो किसी दूसरी लैंग्वेज में भी वही वर्ड रफली उसी जगह होगा. Earth Species Project believes we can apply this to animals too, mapping their communication systems without needing a Rosetta Stone. Here's something fascinating. Animals don't just communicate through sound. Dolphins use echolocation. Bees perform dances. and elephants communicate through vibrations in the ground. But AI might bridge even these gaps. जैसे इमेज जनरेट मॉडल्स जो होते हैं, जैसे DALL-E और मिड जर्नी टेक्स्ट और इमेजेस के शेप्स अलाइन करते हैं, वैसे ही AI साउंड और सेंसरी डेटा को इंटीग्रेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Of course, there are challenges. One concern is anthropomorphism, humans projecting their traits onto animals. AI models reveal patterns that we couldn't see before. Imagine if we learn that dolphins click correlate with specific behaviors or emotions. It might open up entirely new ways to interact with and protect these animals in their environments. This isn't just about talking to animals, it's about better understanding of their world. And in doing so, we might learn more about ourselves. शायद एक दिन हम ट्रूली समझ पाएंगे कि एनिमल्स क्या सोच रहे हैं और उनके साथ एक डीपर कनेक्शन भी बिल्ड कर पाएंगे. And at last, I want to say AI decoding animal communication isn't just science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. ये जर्नी अभी शुरू हुई है और हम सब मिलकर देखते हैं क्या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारे और एनिमल्स के बीच का ब्रिज बनता है या नहीं. थैंक यू एंड आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.